Hello Internet, ako po si Manny Viloria ng onenegosyo.com. Tara, mag-online business na tayo. At ng trulyrichpinoy.com. Tara, mag-stock market na tayo. Welcome to today's Facebook Live video episode about the stock market. We'll be talking about the news, that the stock market dropped by about 12.76% in 2018. Kaya yung mga iba, hindi ko po minomonitor yan. Nagkataon lang nasa Facebook may lumabas na post, yung isang Facebook page kung saan sinasabi nila na bumagsak ng 12.76% yung Philippine stock market in the year 2018. What does that mean? That means that if, for example, in January 2018 ay bumili po tayo ng 10,000 pesos worth of stocks in the Philippine stock market, as of the last trading day in December 2018, yung halaga ng stocks na yon siguro is lower by 1,000. Sabihin na lang natin para mas simple. Let's assume that instead of it dropping 12.76%, let's assume that the stock market dropped by 13%. That means yung 10,000 natin nung January 2018 na worth of stocks ay bumaba ng 1,300 pesos. So that means yung dating 10,000, kung sakaling ibebenta natin lahat ng stocks na yon sa Disyembre, on the last trading day, nalugi tayo ng 1,300 kung ibebenta natin. Samantalang yung 10,000 na nilagay natin sa bangko nung start nung 2018, at the end, siguro may 10,000 pa rin plus 25 pesos. So ang tanong ngayon, sana pala hindi na lang ako nag-stock market, Manny. Akala ko ba on the average tataas ng 12% yung stock market? Bakit nitong 2018, comparing January 2018 and December 2018, bumaba ng halos 13%. What's going on? Well, this episode is for you. A quick statement lang, do not panic. Good morning, Gia. Happy New Year. Hello, JP Borejon Perdido. Thank you for watching. Feel free to post your comments or questions regarding the stock market at sasagutin po natin yan today. Okay, so first of all, you have to understand that the stock market will not grow every year. Pag narinig po natin si Chinkitan na sinasabi, or ni Bo Sanchez na sinasabi na over the long term, the average growth of the stock market is expected, not guaranteed, is expected to be 12% per year on the average. That means may mga taon na lampas o mas mataas pa sa 12% ang growth ng stock market, at may mga taon na bagsak ang movement ng stock prices, such as in 2018, yun nga, the prices of the Philippine Stock Market Index, yung more or less average score niya or value niya ay bumaba ng almost 13%. Okay? So do not think na, wow, 12% every year, 12. Hindi. Minsan 24, minsan 42, minsan 8, minsan 6, minsan nagne-negative yan. So when we enter the stock market, dapat buo sa ating isip na minsan may mga taon na talagang magne-negative ang stock market. Kapag tinanggap mo yan, hindi ka masyado maha-high blood o matatakot kapag ayun na nga, nag-negative. So, what do? Do we cut loss? Ang sabihin ng cut loss, para bang, sige, mababa na nga yung halaga ng stocks natin. Sige, ibenta na natin kahit palugi. Cut losses kaysa sa lalo pang lumaki ang lugi natin in the future. Sell it now. That's what you mean by cut loss. Iba naman, hindi. Let's hang on to it kasi in the future magre-recover yan. So alin ba? Do we cut loss? Do we wait? Okay? Greet tayo. Trixie Se, thanks for watching. Hello. Jason Dacoro. I was reading this book a while ago. Yan, Stock Smart's Breaking the Resistance. How to time your trades perfectly. Okay? Anong ibig sabihin yan? How to time your trades perfectly. It's by Marvin Germo. Okay. Ibig sabihin yan, there are some people who are short-term traders. Ang tinitingnan lang nila ay yung movement ng stock prices. Parang ganyan. Yung galaw ng stock price. And based on certain patterns, tataas, bababa, tataas uli. May mga patterns yan na pinag-aralan sa mundo ng, they call it technical analysis. They don't really Technical analysis, yeah. They don't really focus on the background of the company, what they call the fundamentals. Kung yung kumpanya ba yan ay malakas ang sales, malawak ba yung market share niya, marami bang tumatangkilik na customers? No, instead, yung mga technical analysts, they look at the patterns in the movement of the stock price. And sila yung may tinatawag na cut loss. Kasi parang ganito yan. Based on their analysis, ito dapat yung lowest price ng stock based on the past. No? They just look at the patterns of what happened to the stock price in the past. And based on their charts, siguro nandito yung, for example only, yung pinakamababa, what they call the support, yung sumusuporta ng price. Let's say, let's give it a number. Palagay natin 3 pesos and 40 centavos. Okay? And then, based on the pattern, nakita nila na minsan, hindi lumalampas sa 4 pesos yung presyo ng stock na yon. They call that the ceiling. Kisame, kasi hanggang doon na lang eh. So, for example, there's a stock whose price na kahit pabago-bago, yung pinakamababa na naabot niya dati is 3 pesos and 40 centavos or the support, at yung pinakamataas is 4 pesos or the ceiling. Paano mag-isip yung short-term trader? Short-term trader na nagre-rely sa technical analysis. Parang ganito. Kung pababa ang presyo, let's say from 4 pesos, naging 390, 380, kung pababa, hindi nila gagalawin yan. Hihintay nilang umabot sa support or sa sahig. I don't know why support, okay? Hihintay nilang umabot doon kasi feeling nila, doon sila dapat bumili para yun ang pinakamura. Sana. Para pag umakyat siya, doon sila magbebenta sa ceiling or sa 4 peso mark. Diba? So they watch it. So it is possible na yung expectations ng mga buyers and sellers sa stock market ay mag-match doon sa technical analysis. So pag bumaba ng mga 342, which is near 3.40, napansin ng mga analyst, uy, tumatas na uli. So what will they do? Kahit hindi pa umabot sa pinaka-support na 3.4, they'll buy it right away, expecting na tataas yung presyo. So they bought it at, let's say, 3 pesos and 42 centavos. Aakyat yun. How does this relate to cut loss? Abangan mo. I'll explain that as the example progresses. Akyat. Tapos sa bandang 4 pesos, do they sell right away? They will not sell right away. They will wait for the price to start going down. Kasi posible naman na mag-iba yung expectations ng market at lumampas pa sa 4 pesos. So palagay natin, 4 pesos and 5 centavos. They will think na, uy, meron bang chance na tumaas pa, lumampas pa sa 4 pesos. Tapos nung nag 4 pesos uli, feeling nila, hindi, pababa na yan. So they will sell their stock at 4 pesos. And sure enough, kung mag-hold yung pattern, ayan na, pababa na, papuntang 3 pesos and 40. So they made money kasi they bought the shares at 3 pesos and 42, tapos binenta nila at 4 pesos. So, they're going to wait for it to go down again. Let's say na pababa siya, pagdating ng 3 pesos and 50 centavos, nagsisimula na namang umakyat. They will say, oh, bakit ganun? Hindi nag-follow ng pattern, hindi siya lumapit sa 3 pesos and 40. Pakyat na siya. Sige, bibiling ko na siya at 3 pesos and 50. And sure enough, umakit na naman. Tapos mga bandang 4 pesos, napansin na pababa na naman. Ay, pababa na naman yan. So I will sell at 4 pesos. So yung binili nila na 350, binenta na 4 pesos, yun yung profit nila. And let's say it starts to go down again. And this time it went close to 3.4. So they're expecting again that the pattern will remain the same. Sige, pagka nag-bounce yan pataas, bibili ako. So nung bandang 3.41, ayan, paakit na naman, bili na natin habang mura pa. So they buy at 3.42. Umakit na naman eh. Ang kaso, this time on their third trade, I got that example from this book, okay? This time on their third trade, hindi na umakit yung price. Bumagsak. It went below 3 pesos and 40 centavos. It reached 3 pesos and 30 centavos. It broke through the support of 3 pesos and 40. Nung nag 3 pesos and 30 centavos, yun ang time na sinabi nila, nako, mukhang tuloy-tuloy na ang pagbagsak nito kasi lumampas na siya sa support. Lumampas na siya sa sahig. Talagang papagsak na yan. Eh yung mga short-term traders, ayaw nilang humawak ng stock na pababa. Gusto nilang bilhin yung stock na paakyat. Ayaw nila yung maghintay na magre-recover. So at the 3 pesos and 30 centavo mark, they will sell, or some will sell their shares kahit palugi. Ang tawag dyan, cut loss. I-minimize nila yung kanilang loss kasi alam nila na, or feeling nila, na lalo pang lalaki yung pagkalugi. Kaya doon pa lang, ika-cut loss ka na. At that point, they bought at 3.42 and then they sold at 3.30 palugi. Siguro nasa 3.5% loss yon. Okay? Bumagsak ang presyo by 3.5% and ayaw na nila. Sige, bebenta ko na ng palugi. So, going back to what I said a while ago, yung stock market, in the year 2018, kung bumili ka noong January, malamang yung value niya is lower now by not 3%, but 13%. So, ang tanong, kung yung short-term trader nagbebenta, nagbibitaw kapag bumagsak yung value niya ng mga 3.5%, yung iba 5%, yung iba 10%. Depende yan sa short-term trader kung ano yung kanyang favorite na cut loss mark. Okay? Ito na nga, 13%. So, ang tanong, I have some stocks whose value dropped by 13%. Ano? Magbibitaw na ba ako? Magbebenta na ba ako ng palugi? Tapos, better luck na lang next time? Kasi yung mga short-term traders, no, sa example ko kanina, dati bumili siya at 3.42, binenta niya at 4 pesos. Tapos, bumili siya 3.50, binenta niya at 4 pesos. Tapos, bumili siya ulit at 3.42, binenta ng palugi. Overall, kahit tatlo yung trades yun, panalo, panalo, talo, overall, panalo pa rin siya. So, when you go back to 2018, magbebenta na ba ako ng palugi? Ngayong mga 13% loss. Hoping na sa 2019, makakabawi ako. Ano yung sagot doon? Ang sagot doon ay, sasabihin ko after I greet the other people who joined us. Who else are here? Ang bilis ng pag-scroll nito. Justin Lau, hello, Happy New Year. Gia has a question on video. Bakit hindi mirror image? I'll explain it in another episode. Coach James Gilera, thanks for joining. Hi, Coach Darwin Royo, watching there in KSA. Sherwin Lejarde II, hello. Mayang buntag, Bekay, malipayan na New Year. Ricardo Autida, thank you for watching. Good morning, Sherwin. Good evening, Ricardo, watching in Portland, Oregon. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, Bekay. Hello, Notsa Martin, Happy New Year. Okay, so the answer is, it depends on you. Are you a short-term trader or are you a long-term investor? If you are a short-term trader, siguro you'll feel bad na bumaba yung stocks mo kasi as a short-term trader, sanay ka na whenever you buy a stock, yung trend ng presyo niya, pataas para soon, ibebenta mo na. Like in the example I gave you a while ago, yung 3.42 to 4. How far is that? Based on this book by Marvin Guillermo, 9 trading days. Yung first trade, 9 trading days. Tapos yung next, mga 7 trading days. Tapos yung pangatlo, yung nagbenta siya ng palugi, mga 7 trading days. Anong ibig sabihin yan? Parang ang dating sa akin, for 9 trading days, a trading day is weekday, Monday to Friday, puwera yung mga weekday holidays. Pero mo, for 9 trading days, araw-araw niya minomonitor yung presyo kasi pag biglang bumalik yung pattern, ibebenta na niya. Kung let's say biglang pababa na, hinihintay niyang, uy, malapit na sa 4, malapit na sa 4. Lumalampas ba o pabalik na naman papuntang 3.4? Binabantayan yan. 9 trading days, oh. So that's about 2 weeks. Kung weekdays at walang holiday. Tapos sa second trade, mga 7 trading days. For another 2 weeks, nakatutok siya sa stock market. Si Mr. or si Miss short-term trader. Tapos sa third trade, nakatutok na naman siya. Kung ikaw ay ganyan, lagi ka nakatutok, edi natural, meron kang cut loss figure na kapag ka bumagsak ang presyo ng stock na hawak mo, bibitawan mo na yan. Ngunit, kung ikaw ay isang long-term investor na hindi ka naman araw-araw nakatingin sa stock market. Tulad ko, tinitingnan ko lang yan once a month kasi tayo ay isang long-term stock investor. So, meron akong stocks na talagang bumagsak. Ibebenta ko ba? Hindi. Hindi ako nagka-cut loss. Kasi, yung aking style ay pang long-term. 5 years, 10 years. Wala akong pake kung bumagsak yan ng kahit 60%. Kung naniniwala ko na 5 or 10 years from now, magre-recover yung stock. Kaya ngayong December 31, hindi ako pinapawisan na, oh my God, 13% drop. Para sa akin, ang aking expectation, hindi po garantiya, expectation lamang. Ang aking expectation, yung mga stocks na hawak ko, kahit bagsak ang presyo niya, in the future, magre-recover din yan. So you have to ask yourself, are you a short-term trader or are you a long-term investor? Tapos, kapag firm na sa isip mo at sa puso mo kung ano yung style mo, ano yung personality mo, dun ka. Huwag yung long-term ka tapos kapag, nako, nabasa mo sa Facebook, nako, the stock market dropped in 2018 by 12.76%. Oh my God, biglang magpapanik ka. Sasabihin ko sa'yo, teka, akala ko ba long-term investor ka? Bakit ngayon ang dating mo ay short-term trader? So get to know yourself better. If you watch the video recently of Marvin Guillermo, he was saying, yung mga stocks na bumagsak, i-cut loss mo na. Bitawan mo na. Kasi malamang tuloy-tuloy na yan. At sinabi rin niya na, hihintayin mo pang mag-recover? You might wait for many years. Tapos may example, itong stock na ito, nung bumagsak, maraming taon. Siguro 10 taon na, hindi pa nagre-recover. Kaya bitawan mo na ng maaga para meron kang pera, pambili ng ibang stock. So ang tanong naman ng iba, o sige, nagbenta na ako ng palugi. Ano nga yung next stock na bibilin ko? Again, there are no guarantees. It depends on your personality. Kasi you cannot really say for sure na, sige, bibenta ko to, tapos itong pera, ililipat ko dito. Kasi for sure, lalago ito. Kasi nga, walang for sure sa stock market. Even for long-term investors, even if a company, let's say si Jollibee, let's say lakas-lakas ng sales ni Jollibee. Pero kung yung expectation ng mga buyers and sellers sa stock market ay hindi mag-improve si Jollibee, even if all the analysts say na, hindi, lalago si Jollibee, if for some weird reason, I don't know, someone watched Bird Box, I don't know, and for some weird reason, most of the people in the market say, wala akong tiwala kay Jollibee. At nagbenta sila. Kahit pababa yung presyo, benta sila ng benta. Naturally, kung marami nagbebenta, babagsak yung presyo even though the company is solid. So remember, yung stock market is based on expectations. So to summarize, now that we have seen in Facebook and in the news na bumagsak yung Philippine stock market in 2018 by about 12.76%, some people will cut loss and sell. Others, like me, will hang on kasi I believe in the companies that I invested in. Sila yung mga companies na feeling ng mga ibang analyst na may magandang long-term prospects. Now, let's talk about specifics, Sa Truly Rich, for example, mayroon doon silang nirecommend in the past. It's called FGen. And then, after buying FGen, they said, naku, we have to adjust our expected target selling price kung kailan natin ibebenta kasi because of this, because of that, hindi na maaabot yun. So, ibenta mo ng FGen mo, tapos ilipat mo sa ganito. Ang kaso, hindi ko na ilipat sa kung anumang company yun. Hinawak ko kasi I was looking at other blogs at in those other blogs, they still believe in FGen. So, sabi ko, sige, kahit hindi na believe si Truly Rich kay FGen, si ganun naman, believe siya. At mukhang FGen, they generate electricity. So, siguro naman, mangangailangan ng kuryente ang Pilipinas pa rin in the future. So, I decided to hang on to it. Ano yung presyo ni FGen? Wala, bagsak pa rin. Pero, dahil long-term tayo, sige lang. But am I buying additional FGen? No, hindi na. Kasi ayokong ilagay lahat ng pera ko sa iisang kumpanya lang. Ini-spread po natin yan over, kung pwede nga, 8 to 10 companies. Yan. Which brings us to the question, I want to start na investing in the stock market, pero sabi mo, Manny, mag-emergency fund muna. So, paano yan? Mag-emergency fund na ba muna ako? Or magsa-stock market? I'll answer that after greeting our other friends who joined. Who else are here? Jason Dacoro, Happy New Year. May tanong siya, anong mas prefer ninyo, sir? TA or FA? TA, I think, stands for Technical Analysis and FA stands for Fundamental Analysis. Sa TA or Technical Analysis, yan yung tinitingnan yung charts. Hinahanapan ng pattern, uy, napakamura na nito. Uy, ibenta na, bumili na tayo. Uy, mahal na to. Pabalik na siya, pabagsak na. Doon natin ibenta yung binili natin noon ng mura. That's technical analysis. Yan yung ginagamit ng short-term traders. Or fundamental analysis. Fundamentals, ano yung background ng kumpanya, kamusta yung benta niya. This is for long-term investors. I'm more for FA, fundamental analysis, kasi I'm not a 100% long-term investor. Kasi syempre, since long-term yan, mabagal, maraming panahon ang dadaan, boring, di ba? Hindi pareho ng mga short-term traders na in 9 days, benta agad. Binili niya 9 days ago, today, benta niya. Wow, boom! Diba? Happy. In the example that I shared a while ago, take note, ha? Bumili siya ng stock at 3.42. 3 pesos and 42 centavos. Binenta niya ng 4 pesos. Para mas madali na lang, 3 pesos and 40, binenta niya ng 4 pesos. Huwag na natin pansinin yung tax. Palagay natin yung kita niya doon is 60 centavos. 60 centavos, ibig sabihin, ilang shares yung bibilin mo para maramdaman mo na kumita ka. 60 centavos, so kapag bumili ka ng 1,000 pesos, 1,000 shares, ilan yon? 600 pesos ang kinita mo. Of the 1,000 shares in 9 trading days or in 2 weeks time. Diba? 600 pesos. Worth it na ba yun sa'yo? Or should you buy 10,000 shares para yung 600, at least 6,000 yung kinita mo? Or should you buy 100,000 shares? So, ang nararamdaman ko sa short-term trading or sa technical analysis, maramihang bilihan yan. Para pagka nag-boom ka, boom! Yun nga lang, pagka hindi sumunod yung mga tao sa ine-expect mong mangyayari sa patterns, malaki rin yung dapa. Pero sinasabi ng iba, kung maayos naman ang iyong technical analysis, although you will have some losses, yung mga gains mo ay mas marami. Kung pinag-aralan mo yung technical analysis ng husto. Ang kaso ko yung mga ibang mentors, ang sabi nila, marami na silang tinuturuan ng mga tao sa technical analysis, and yet, 85% of those that they tutored and trained, nagkakamali pa rin. Okay? Ibig sabihin, masusing pag-aaral yan. Ako personally, wala akong time na talagang pag-aralan ng mabuti yung technical analysis. Kaya, eto ako sa FA or Fundamental Analysis pang long term. So ask yourself, ikaw ba gusto mo mas exciting na buhay? Mag short term ka. Gusto mo mas stable kasi busy ka masyado sa iba mong trabaho, iba mong projects? Mag long term ka. Hero Onan, thanks for watching. Hi Clive Martin Chan. Sabi ni Ricardo, gusto mong mag-invest sa US pero wala pang idea how. Pasensya na, Ricardo, nakafocus tayo sa Philippine stock market. Pero I'm sure maraming mga tutorials sa YouTube and all over the internet on how to invest in the US stock market. Jonathan Aquino, good morning. Hello, Joni Cagadas. Ayan. So, we go now to the emergency fund. In my other tutorials dun sa Truly Rich Pinoy /tara, that's Truly Rich Pinoy /tara, meron ko doon pinag-usapan na bago ka mag-stock market, magkaroon ka muna ng emergency fund. What is an emergency fund? Ito yung pera na gagamitin mo in times of emergency. Because if you do not build your emergency fund first, if you put your money right away sa stock market, tapos nun, nagkaroon ka ng emergency, tapos nun, napilitan kang ibenta yung stocks mo. Paano kung nagtabi ka ng pera, yun nga, sa stock market ng Pilipinas, January 2018. Tapos nitong December, nagkaroon ka ng emergency at wala kang mahuhugot na pera sa ibang lugar. Tapos ibebenta mo yung stocks mo. Mapipilitan ka magbenta ng palugi. So we say na bago ka mag-invest sa stock market, mag-build ka muna ng emergency fund. General rule of thumb, 6 months ng sahod mo. So if you're earning, let's say, 100,000 pesos a month, dapat mayroon ka na itabi sa bangko na 600,000 pesos, yun ang emergency fund mo. Doon ka huhugot kapag nagkaroon ng emergency habang nag-invest ka sa stock market. para hindi ka mapilitang magbenta sa stock market sa maling panahon, yung palugi. So how much will you set aside? 20% every month. So kung ang monthly income mo is 100,000 pesos, 20% of that is 20,000 pesos. So every month, 20,000 pesos, save, emergency fund. That means in 5 months, yung 20, 20, 20, 20, 20 mo equals your 100,000 pesos. Binanggit ko kanina, 6 months. That means 30. 3-0. 3 months ka nang tatabi ng 20% ng monthly income mo bago ma-reach mo yung 6 months na emergency fund. 30 months, that's more than 2 years. Baka after 2.5 years, makalimutan mo na gusto mo pala mag-invest sa stock market. Kaya may nagtanong sa akin, talaga ba dapat mag-wait ako na may emergency fund ako na 6 months worth of my salary bago ako mag-stock market? Well, someone wrote na, wag ka na maghintay. Go ka na. Ito yung aking recommendation. Well, this is what I would do, no? I will start na right away with 5,000. Kasi, kahit ilagay ko yung 5,000 sa stock market, agad-agad, no, kahit wala pa tayong emergency fund, kung sakaling magka-emergency, pwede naman ako mangutang ng 5,000 sa kamag-anak na hindi ko gagalawin yung 5,000 na nilagay sa stock market. So at least, habang nag-build up po ng emergency fund over the next 30 months, meron na akong at least 5,000 na naghihintay na doon sa stock market. Hindi yung 30 months, zero sa stock market, tapos after 30 months, doon pa lang mag-start. You can start today for as low as 5,000 pesos and 25. Yung 25, yung BDO bank charge. Where will I put my money? Sa stock market. I'll open an account sa callfinancial.com. 5,000 yon. Tapos noon, pipiliin ko yung mutual fund, ilalagay ko sa index fund. Kung aling specific index fund, ginagaya ko po yung recommendation ni Bo Sanchez sa Truly Rich. Ang ginagawa doon, sila na bahala mag-invest kung aling stocks yung bibili nila. Basta mutual fund na index fund, kung ano yung mga kumpanya na kinabibilangan ng average score ng Philippine stock market, there are about 32 companies. Ito yung mga kumpanya na malalaki, na trine-trade na husto, active sa stock market, more or less safe. Okay? I say safe kasi yun nga, sinabi ko kanina, yung score, yung average price or index ni Philippine stock market in 2018 ay bumagsak nga ng 12.76%. Pero ang advantage ng mutual fund na index fund, hindi na ako mag-iisip. Ilalagay ko lang yung 5,000 doon or 10,000 and then I'll focus on building my emergency fund. And then, kapag okay na emergency fund ko, saka ako mag-stock market na, sige, bibili ako nitong stock number 1 or company number 2 or company number 3 based on the recommendations of friends, analysts. Kasi ako personally, wala akong time na busisiin at i-analyze ng gusto, no? Ngayon, sinusubukan kong gawin yon, tapos i-compare ko yung performance ko doon versus yung performance ko kapag umasa lamang ako sa mga taong nakafocus sa stock market. Then we'll see what happens. Kung worth it ba yung time spent really studying the stock market or magtiwala ko dun sa mga taong sanay na sila na bahala mag-aral ng stock market. Hello, Marika Manalo. Happy New Year. Thank you for your question. Hello, Rochelle Domindin. Question ni Mariko Manalo. Saan po ba mas maganda mag-invest? Stocks or real estate? Ako po, ini-spread ko eh. Hindi ako panay stocks lamang, hindi ako panay bangko lamang, hindi ako panay insurance lamang. Halo. Kung kaya ko mag-real estate, real estate. So, you have to spread it. How much do you need for real estate? Magkano ba yung mga condo ngayon? 3.5 million? Okay. Iipunin mo rin yun over time. Versus stocks, you can start with 5,000 pesos. Kaya, there's no need for you to say, mag-focus muna sa real estate, saka na yung stocks. You can start with stocks right away, 5,000 eh. Real estate, wala ka yatang maano ng 5,000 unless you partner with someone and you combine your funds. Marami kayong tigpa 5,000 para makabili ng 3.5 million peso na condo. May mga options na gano'n. So, saan mas maganda? Just spread it. Kasi minsan, depende sa panahon, angat ang stocks. Minsan, angat ang real estate. Some will say yung real estate for sure, laging pataasin. And so far, yung presyo nga ng lupa, laging pataas. Although minsan bumababa din, parang mas mataas ang growth niya kaysa sa stocks. Pero, gayon pa man, hindi ako magfo-focus lamang sa real estate. I'll do both. Thank you for that question, Marico Manalo. So there, I hope that helps you get calmer na although you see the news na bumagsak yung stock market for 2018 ng more than 12%, halos 13%, get to know yourself better. Are you a short-term investor or a long-term short-term trader or a long-term investor? Kung investor ka, just breathe easy. Wait. I'm assuming you bought shares of stock in blue chip companies. Ito yung mga kumpanya na solid, may magandang long-term prospects. Although again, keep in mind na yung stock market, hindi yan guaranteed, hindi yan pareho ng bangko na kapag naglagay ka ng 10,000 pesos sa January, pagka December of that year, meron ka ng plus 25 pesos na nadagdag dun sa 10,000 pesos mo. Okay? As an alternative, consider going into business. Kasi some businesses, they can grow 12 or 15%, even 20%. Pero yung mga lumalampas ng 20% na business ko, think twice. Kasi, most of the businesses now, mahirap yung 20%. Kaya kapag kami nag-promise sa'yo ng more than 20%, asahan mo na kapag pumatok yan, expect it na. Kapag pumatok yan, kakatok-katok na si SEC at sasabihin ni SEC, teka, ang dating ng programa mo ay investment. Mayroon ka bang secondary license to sell securities or investments? Wala. Tapos nun, sasabihin ng kumpanya, naku, na SEC na tayo, hindi na makapag payout, etc., etc. The banks don't want to partner with me. So you watch those numbers, no? Bonds, mga 4 to 6%. Stock market, mga 10 to 12%. Businesses, mga 12 to 18%. Real estate, mga 15 to 17%. Doon na naglalaro-laro yun. So, spread your investments, save more, invest more, and find the ways to also earn additional sources of semi-passive income. Bakit semi-passive? Para naman may time ka pang matulog. Importante yung natutulog tayo, hindi pwede yung kahit ng kahit lamang kasi pag hindi tayo natulog ng sapat, hindi rin sustainable yon. Thank you, Marico. Test by Lon Ranyada. Thank you for watching. Hi, Lincoln Aquino Garcia. So, thank you for joining us in this quick Facebook Live video episode about the stock market and how to calm yourself and how to choose, should I wait or start immediately? Hanggang sa susunod, ako po si Manny Viloria ng trulyrichpinoy.com na nagsasabing, invest in yourself before others will invest in you. Isa pang question. From Marico Manalo, mas okay po ba na ang itira sa bank ay emergency fund lang tapos ilagay sa stock? Emergency fund lang. Hindi ako magtatabi kasi kapag ang nilagay mo sa bank account mo ay emergency fund lamang, tapos nagkaroon ka ng emergency at nasaid mo yon, magsasara yung bank account mo. Magpasobra ka. At least yung minimum maintaining balance ng bank account mo plus yung emergency fund. Okay? Magpasobra ka ng kaunti. Huwag yung eksakto lang. Or sa real estate, ay talagang maglalagay tayo sa meron tayong emergency fund. At kapag kaya, meron din tayong real estate, dapat lahat yun punan mo. Kasi it will not be instant. It will take time. Pero lahat yan, real estate, stock market, bank account na savings, bank account na time deposit, ano pa ba? Mutual funds, do it yourself, let them do it for you. Lahat yan, lagyan mo. Siyempre, hindi instant. It will take time. Pero magtiyaga ka lang. Fill all of those up. Thank you, thank you. For those who just tuned in, no worries. The replay or record version of this Facebook Live video episode will be available in about 15 minutes. Have a great day. Ingat po sa mga paputok. Happy New Year. Happy 2019. Let's walk together in this financial literacy journey. Ingat. Bye.